Exactor is a multi-purpose measuring and layout tool that can be used in a number of different ways for measuring and marking. The Milescraft 9-in-1 Exactor features a lip along each edge of the base, which allows for a consistent 3/16 of an inch reveals along the entire length of trim. The two 45-degree miter slots allow you to mark left-hand or right-hand miters. The base can also be used as a level in either the vertical or horizontal position, and the detachable metal ruler has both metric and imperial measurements. Some additional applications for the Milescraft Exactor include the transfer of measurements from one workpiece to another, and it's the only tool of its kind that can be used as a true 90-degree T-square on both inside and outside corners. For more information on the Exactor or any of their other products, visit Milescraft.com.
From Swanson Tool Company, the inventors of the Speed Square, comes their latest innovation, the Wood Magnet. The Wood Magnet is a multi-purpose post level that will help you eliminate the need for most other levels. The Wood Magnet slides onto and firmly grips any 2x-dimensional material, whether it be 2x4, 2x6, 2x8, or more. Use the Wood Magnet to set up and level joists and beams. Accurately level grades and screeds for walkways and gardens. As an instant long level, make that mailbox stand proud. Rigging a long level used to be a time-consuming pain. With the Wood Magnet, creating a custom long level is easier than ever. Simply slide the Wood Magnet onto your stud and get to work. The Wood Magnet is a new cutting-edge tool developed for professional framing carpenters and skilled craftsmen. A blend of both form and function that makes sense and saves money.
bound only by frozen memories. It's hard racing on these broken dreams tonight.
Milescraft is proud to introduce you to their fence clamps. These compact and lightweight fence clamps feature steel threaded components with a rigid aluminum body, an ABS handle to engage the clamping face, and a TPR clamp pad to help prevent marring on your tools or workpieces. These clamps have a range of travel from ½ an inch all the way up to 5 3/4 of an inch. The clamping arm can easily fit into a 3/8 of an inch hole in your auxiliary fences, and they weigh in just under 1 pound. The Milescraft fence clamps can be used with table saws, router tables, miter saws, and more. You can create an auxiliary or sacrificial fence by using something like the Milescraft Joint Mate, which you can see being used here. Setting up stop blocks on your miter saw helps to increase the efficiency and accuracy of your cuts throughout your project.
Looking for a quick and easy way to divide any degree of angle in half for your miter saw setup? Let the Milescraft AngleFinder do all the work for you. With its yellow angle divider, it divides any angle in half, making quick work of determining the proper cutting angle for your miter saw on both inside and outside corners. To determine the cutting angle for your inside corner miter, rotate the two arms of the AngleFinder until the outside of the arms are both flush with the adjacent surfaces to be measured. Then depress the lock arm to lock the angle in place. The yellow angle divider now represents a line dividing the angle in two. Over at the miter saw, rest one arm against the saw's fence and swing the blade in place until it rests flush against the flat face of the yellow angle divider. The saw is now set at the correct half angle required for your miter. For inside miters, cut the left piece on the left side of the saw with a blade angled to the left. Next, repeat the setup on the opposite side, pressing the other arm against the right side of the miter saw fence and the blade angled to the right. After cutting both pieces, they'll come together in a nice tight fit at the corner.
Introducing the Centipede Sawhorse and Centipede Support XL, the ultimate portable work support system. The Centipede portable work system sets up in seconds to support even the thinnest sheet materials for cuts, and works as a temporary workbench or table base, versatile enough to accommodate the needs of any job site or project around the home and anywhere else a temporary workspace is needed. The compact, lightweight design folds up as easily as it was set up and fits in the included storage bag for convenient portability. The Centipede portable work system is available in two sizes: the 2-foot by 4-foot Centipede Sawhorse, which supports up to 1,500 pounds, and the 4-foot by 8-foot Centipede Support XL, which supports up to 3,000 pounds. The unique steel frame design of the Centipede portable work system features multiple steel struts that rest directly between the load and the ground for maximum support. Atop each strut is a replaceable polymer P-top that helps to avoid contact damage between the blade and steel struts, while allowing the use of the included quick clamps for holding materials in place, and the included X-cups that conveniently accommodate standard 2x4s.